Hi, this is a smart lock featuring 3 ways to lock your door with fingerprint, electronic keypad, and mechanical keys. Let's see what's included in the box. We have the manual. We have the box with all the details, screws, and everything that we need to install the smart lock. And here is the interior part of the lock. And then we have the exterior with the fingerprint lock, with the keypad lock, and also with the mechanical key lock as well. And we also have the mechanical keys as well. All right, let's go ahead and install the smart lock. First, we need to pass the wire through the square bar. Choose the screw of the corresponding length according to the thickness of the door and tighten the screws. Next, we're going to need to open the battery cover from the indoor side. Open the battery cover and install the batteries. There are 4 AAA batteries needed. However, the batteries are not included, so you're going to have to purchase it separately. Make sure you're paying attention of the direction of the lock tongue when installing. This should be on the outside side and this should be on the inside side. Connect door lock circuit board port. Tighten the screw securing the battery cover. After completing all the steps, the door lock installation is complete. To set up your fingerprint and passcode, make sure that you're following all the steps provided in the manual. The lock is very easy to use, either using the fingerprint, the keypad, or the mechanical key.